discuss exercise 1.1 based on the properties of addition of rational number that we discussed earlier. The first sum is verify closure property and commutative property of the addition. And the P part is minus 2 over 7, 11 over 3. According to the closure property, sum of two rational number is a rational number. Let us take A minus 2 over 7, B 11 over 3. Now, A plus B, when we put the value of A here, it is minus 2 over 7 and B is 11 over 3. Take the LCM of 7 and 3, it is 21. When 21 divided by 7, we will get 3 and 3 multiplied by minus 2, we will get minus 6. Now, the sign here is plus, so simply we put sign here plus. Now again, 21 divided by 3, we will get 7 and 7 multiplied by 11, it is 77. Minus plus minus, and 77 minus 6, it is 71 over 21, which is a rational number. So, closure property is verified. Now, next part is here commutative property. According to the commutative property, we know A plus B equals to B plus A. Now, I simply put the value of here and see the result is same or not. When I put here A is minus 2 over 7 and B here 11 over 3. Now, their order is changed. So, simply I put here B 11 over 3 and A is minus 2 over 7. Now, add these two terms. First of all, 7 3s are 21. LCM is 21. Again, 21 divided by 7, we will get 3 and 3 multiplied by 2, minus 6. 21 divided by 3, 7 and 7 11s are 77. Here, 11 over 3 and plus minus is minus 2 over 7. 77 minus 6, it is 71 over 21. We solve it again. 3 7s are 21. LCM here is 21 and 21 now divided by 3, we will get 7 and 7 11s are 77. 7 when divided 3, we will get 3 and 3 multiplied by 2, it is 6. Here 71 over 21 and 77 minus 6, again 71 over 21. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, commutative property of addition is verified because left hand side equal to right hand side. Second sum is verify associative property of addition for rational number. And the part is 8 over 3, 7 over 2, minus 4 over 3. Let us take A, 8 over 3, B, 7 over 2 and C, minus 4 over 3. Now, according to the associative property A plus B plus C, bracket here in the second and third term, and now in right hand side A plus B in one bracket and C is outside the bracket. Now simply we put the value here and see the result in left hand and right hand side both are same or not. Now I put A 8 over 3, B 7 over 2 plus minus 4 over 3. Again in right hand side A is 8 over 3, B is 7 over 2 and C is minus 4 over 3. First of all, I will solve the bracket 7 over 2 plus minus 4 over 3. Take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. 6 divided by 2, we will get 3. 3 7s are 21. 6 divided by 3, we will get 2 4s are 8. Now, 8 over 3 and 21 minus 8 is 13. 13 over 6. Now again I take the LCM of 3 and 6. It is 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. 6 1s are 6 and here is 13. Now add 13 and 16. We will get 29 over 6. Now, in another side, we solve the first two terms that are in first bracket. Taking the LCM of 3 and 2, we will get 6. When 6 divided by 3 2s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Again 6 divided by 3, we will get 2 3s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Plus minus is minus 4 over 3. Now, add the 16 and 21, we will get 37 over 6. Minus 4 over 3. Again take the LCM of 6 and 3, it is 6. When 6 divided by 6, we will get 1 and 1 multiplied by 37, it's 37. 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now again, do the subtraction of 37 minus 8, it is 29 over 6. Now we will see in the left hand side and right hand side, both are equal. So, associative property of addition is verified. We will write here left hand side equal to right hand side. So, associative property of addition is verified. Third, write additive inverse of the following rational number. Additive inverse is the negative of a number, or you can simply change the sign of the number. That is, if number is positive, then its additive inverse is negative. First part is 4 over 5. Its additive inverse is minus 4 over 5. B part is minus 7 over 23. Its additive inverse is plus 7 over 23. Minus 7, it becomes plus. Now, here C part is minus 1, minus 9. Minus cut with minus, it is 1 over 9. Its additive inverse is minus 1 over 9. 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. 8 over minus 11, its additive inverse is 8 over 11. Fifth sum is, using appropriate property of addition of rational number, evaluate the following. And the C part is 4 over 13 plus minus 5 over 8 plus minus 8 over 13 plus 9 over 13. Now, everybody know, according to the associative property, we can add by grouping them in different ways. So, I will take the positive number in one bracket and the negative number in another bracket. Now, 4 over 13 plus 9 over 13. I put in the one bracket. Put the sign plus here. Now, negative term I put in the another bracket, minus 5 over 8. Another one is minus 8 over 13. Now, I solve these two brackets and then again do the addition of the result which we get. Now, here in the first bracket, the denominator is same. So, LCM is 13 here. And the numerator, the numbers are 4 and 9. Now, in the another bracket, the LCM of 8 and 13, it is 104. 13 8s are 104. So, now, 104 when divided by 8, we will get 13. And 13 multiplied by minus 5, we will get minus 65. Again, 104 when divided by 13, 13 8s are and 8 8s are minus 64. Plus minus is minus. 9 plus 4 is 13 over 13. Plus minus minus is plus. 65 and 64, it is minus 129 over 104. Now again plus minus is minus. And 13 over 13 minus 129 over 104. Again, I will take the LCM of 13 and 104, which I get 104. So, in the denominator, there is 104. When 13 divided by 104, we will get 8 and 8 multiplied by 13, we will get 104. Now, 104 divided by 104, we will get 1. 1 multiplied by 129, it is 129. Now, 104 minus 129 plus minus is minus, and when we subtract 104 from 129, we will get 25. but we put the sign of the greatest term, and the greatest term is 129 and the sign here is negative. So I put here negative. So the answer is minus 25 over 104. Number 6. Verify minus x equal to x for the following. And the part 2 is x equal to minus 7 over 9. We have to verify, that is, we have to make left hand side equal to right hand side. And the statement is minus x equal to x. We simply put the value of x here, that is minus 7 over 9, and also there is minus 7 over 9. Now in the bracket there are two negative signs, and you know minus is plus. This is plus 7 over 9. Minus plus is minus. So minus 7 over 9 equal to minus 7 over 9. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is verified. Sum number 8. Find the sum of active inverse of 3 over minus 7 and negative of 7 over 3. Now, additive inverse of 3 over minus 7, you know it is plus 3 over 7. Right? Because in additive inverse, we have to simply change the sign of the term. And if the term is negative, the term becomes positive. Also, negative of 7 over 3, it is minus 7 over 3. Now, according to the statement, we have to do the sum of these two terms. Sum is 3 over 7 plus minus 7 over 3. And everybody know plus minus is minus. LCM of 7 and 3, it is 21. Again, we follow the same steps. That is 21 divided by 7. We will get 3. 3 3s are 9 here. Again 21 when divided by 3, we will get 7. And 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 9, we will get minus 40 over 21, sign of the greatest term, that is of the 49, which is negative term. So the answer is minus 40 over 21.